resistance is everywhere. We are experiencing one of the highest rated change and disruption.
The pace of the world is speeding up so fast. I hear it from companies and organizations all the time. It's like we all jumped into a sports car. And we're driving at red line. And there's no belief that it's going to slow down anytime soon.
This is not a sustainable pace. But what if we were able to lessen the self-protection mechanism and we were able to move forward faster, especially while we're working and living in the fast lane? We have people that are depending on us to make decisions. We have people that want answers now. So that get off the block mentality has to happen in this industry. How can we take resistance head on so that we can move forward?
The pool is my happy place. When I dive in, it's just me and the water. Like in life, you have to find where that friction is, that resistance. So how do we move smoother through this fast-paced world? How do we take resistance head on?
A few years ago, something revolutionary happened to the sport of swimming. It's a new stroke where swimmers dive off the block and they go to a certain depth and they find air pockets underneath the water that allow them to move faster, smoother, while in control, picking up their speed. It's called streamlining. And today I want to share with you exactly how to do that. Streamlining is a focused path that is created through a flow of movement where there's least resistance. It's not so much about how to take that first step. It's what's allowing you to take that first step. You already have what you need to be successful. It's just a matter of getting off the block and go, even if you have to learn along the way.
Streamlining is so effective to where the swimming world had to put a restriction on it to only 15 meters. Why not streamline in business and in life?
I just heard Deborah speak and she was absolutely amazing.
I thought it was awesome.
She engaged people. She made it very personal.
You have this responsibility through action. Action equals results.
Not just an inspiring presentation, actionable things, but from the heart.
Show your value through action. This is what you have to do. Are you ready to get off the block and go?